Welcome to Bleach DIY Part 1 with Urban Threads. We're going to go over some of the coolest summer trends using bleach. So first thing you need is a t-shirt. Any color except for white works for this, but it is cool when there is a little bit of white in the shirt. We also need some toilet bowl cleaner with bleach, elastics, and a pair of scissors if you want to change your shirt up a bit. So first what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my shirt and I'm going to lay it flat onto my surface. I'm going to grab the middle and I'm going to pinch it and start twisting it into a circle. So when doing this, it's very important that you make it as tight and even as possible for the look that we're going for. And you want to make sure that you grab the sleeves and you really roll that in there as well. You're then going to take your elastic and you're going to use that to keep everything together. There's no wrong or right number of elastics to use. I use 2, but if you need to use 6, use 6. There's no right number for this. So you're going to make sure that everything is nice and tight. And then when you're done, it will look a little like this. Here's the back, nice and tight, looks like a cinnamon bun, that's what I like to say. So now we're gonna set it aside and we're gonna protect our surface because we are using bleach. So I'm using parchment paper because that's what I had handy, but you can use a plastic bag, a towel, an old piece of clothing, anything, cardboard, and that will work just fine. You're then going to grab your liquid bleach and you're going to pour it over your t-shirt. I'm going left to right. There's no right or wrong way to do this part. You can be as creative as you want. And then you should have gloves, but I didn't have any on hand, so do not do this at home. But you're going to take it and flip it over. Again, be sure to be using gloves for this. And then you're going to do the same thing on the back side. And then you're going to let it sit. So here we are. It's maybe about a minute has passed. You can see it's starting to change color. It's very important for you to keep an eye on your shirt because bleach does eat away at clothing. So keep an eye out so that everything stays intact. So here we're about 5 minutes has passed and I finally got the color that I wanted. So I'm going to pick it up, I'm going to throw it in my sink, and I'm going to give it a wash in cold water. That's going to stop it from activating. After that, I'm going to throw in the wash machine. We're going to do a delicate quick cycle, so something about 15 to 20 minutes should be just fine. In cold water again. Then you're going to throw it in your dryer. And then I decided that I'm going to crop my shirt to really change it up a bit. And then here you have it. Very cool, very chic, and very in style. So be sure to stay tuned for part 2 of our bleach DIY projects.